Give us a sense of the thinking within the BJP. Quite contrary to what pundits and pollsters were expecting, the BJP crossing the halfway mark, pulling off a spectacular victory in Haryana. Give our viewers a sense of how you brought this magic together.
Well, Rahul, even after the exit poll, I was on the television with you and Rajdeep. That day I also said that the least we will get is 52 seats. And of course, both of you were not willing to believe me. And that was primarily because of the strength BJP has in terms of the Panna Pramukh, in terms of the people at the ground. We did all the SWOT analysis. We realized where there is a weakness. We marshaled all our resources, addressed the concern the party had, and eventually result we wanted is something for all of us to see, particularly to Rajdeep and you, because you were not willing to accept that Bharatiya Janata Party will win Haryana, because all what Congress did, they were making noise in the media while we were glued to the ground. We were working on the shortcomings we had, and of course address all the concerns of the people, and we were with people because we eventually want to serve the people. We were working for last 10 years to serve the people, and we have done what lots in last 10 years than compared to what Congress had done in 60 years. So people are there to see our performance in last 10 years. The noise was being made by Congress party in the media. They were not on the ground. We were on the ground. We didn't respond to their noise. We were just focused to our work, and that is something has worked for us. And we eventually delivered to something which everybody was not willing to accept it. So it is for Congress to really understand what is the shortcomings they had, why they were just making a noise, and even though they have not been able to deliver anything in last 60 years, and still they were, despite BJP demonstrating a super performance in last year, still they were making a noise that we have not done, something which people didn't accept it. Secondly, what is more important for everyone to see that Congress is not only defeated in state of Haryana, but they should also introspect their performance in Jammu and Kashmir. Out of the seats they have so far, they are showing that they have won or they are leading. Only 8 seats Congress party is leading, even though in 5 seats they are leading with a very small margin. So they need to understand that they were actually been NC had aligned with them to fight with us in Jammu region, but their performance so poor even in Jammu region. They are leading only in 3 seats, while in Valley they are leading in 5 seats. So put together they are only 8 seats.